Facing charges of murder and child abuse after police say she initially cracked her baby's back.
The mother claims that it was an accident. Back in March, 26-year-old Wanda Johnson told police she tried to perform a back cracking adjustment on her infant. According to court documents, the baby had multiple seizures later on, prompting Johnson to take the child to the hospital. An autopsy report lists the baby's cause of death as blunt force injuries to the head and the torso. The death was ruled a homicide. Police say Johnson later admitted she was reckless, but she did not mean to hurt the child.